Want to see which notes are connected to the note you're currently working on? That's exactly what backlinks are for, and in this video I'll show you how they work in Obsidian using the same prog trip vault we've been using in previous videos. If you've watched my video about linking notes, you already know that you can connect notes by creating an internal link, such as a link from prog trip to prog castle. But what if you're looking at the prog castle note and want to know which other notes are linking to it? That's where backlinks come in. I'll open my prog castle note. To view its backlinks, I'll open the command palette, search for backlinks, and select the command for opening the backlinks view. For example, if my prog trip note contains a link to prog castle, that note will appear in the backlinks list. I can click the result to open the prog trip note and jump to the part where the link appears. This is useful because backlinks let you discover connections from the opposite direction. When you create a link, you're saying that one note is connected to another. The backlink lets you see where that connection is coming from. There's also a useful detail here. Backlinks can show both linked and unlinked mentions. If I have the words prog castle somewhere in another note, but I haven't actually created a link to the prog castle note, Obsidian can still recognize it as an unlinked mention. I can then use that result to see where the name appears and, if it makes sense, turn it into an actual link. Backlinks become particularly useful as your vault grows. Instead of manually remembering which notes are connected, Obsidian can show you those relationships automatically. So if you're building a vault with lots of connected information, backlinks give you another way to navigate through your notes and discover relationships you might otherwise miss. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like. If you're new here, consider subscribing so you don't miss the next videos in this series where we'll keep building on your Obsidian skills step by step. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.